Hi, I'm Pete. Welcome back to the MoveAdvisor. If this is your first time joining us, welcome. Today we are asking, are you ready to take the plunge and move to a new city all by yourself? It might seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got your back. One less thing to worry about, head on over to moveadvisor.com/quote to get free, no obligation quotes for your relocation from some of the best movers out there. Trust us, they will make your move so much easier. Now, let's dive into how to make this exciting journey as smooth and enjoyable as possible. Step 1, embrace the excitement. Moving to a new city is a fresh start, a chance to reinvent yourself. Focus on the positive aspects, new places to explore, new people to meet, and endless opportunities. Step 2, plan ahead. Make a checklist of all the essentials, finding a place to live, transferring your job or finding a new one, and setting up utilities. Don't forget to budget for moving expenses and initial setup costs. Step 3, research a new city. Look up the best neighbourhoods, local attractions and public transportation options. Join online forums or social media groups to get insider tips from locals. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. Step 4, stay connected. Just because you're moving away doesn't mean you have to lose touch. Schedule regular calls or video chats with friends and family. Their support will be invaluable during this transition. Step 5, get out and explore. Once you've arrived, don't stay cooped up at home. Walk around your neighbourhood, check out local coffee shops and parks and cultural spots. The sooner you start exploring, the sooner you'll feel at home. Step 6, meet new people. Join clubs, attend events or take up a new hobby. Sites like Meetup and Facebook events are great for finding activities and meeting people who share your interests. Building a social network is key to feeling settled. Step 7, make your space your own. Personalise your new home with things that make you happy. Photo, artwork, plants, anything that brings comfort. A space that feels like yours will help you adjust more quickly. Step 8, set goals. Whether it's professional, personal or social, having goals give you direction and purpose. Celebrate small victories and be patient with yourself as you adapt to your new environment. Remember, this is an adventure. There will be ups and downs, but each challenge is an opportunity to grow and learn. Embrace every moment and soon you'll find yourself thriving in a new city. Don't forget to view our state and city guides on this channel or visit MoveAdvisor.com for more in-depth guides to the best cities and states to move to, as well as plenty of tips to make your move cheaper and easier. Now go ahead, take that leap and move to a new city alone. You're stronger and more capable than you think. Happy moving and enjoy the journey. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more homing tips and guides. See you next time. Bye.